Sean. If you're watching this, you probably know who I am because this is a brand new YouTube channel called SDZ's Crusty Kustoms. Now, this is, sorry, I got some bad bugs. We're down here in southern Indiana, western Indiana, southwestern Indiana. I really don't know. It's a place called Williams, Indiana. I was about 10 miles from here and I heard banjos, so I know we're in the middle of frickin' nowhere. But in the middle of frickin' nowhere is something pretty cool. I'm standing in this garage. It's owned by my friend Danny, the doucher Dugan, and he has a little business called Dugan Designs. Sorry, it's hot as hell. I've been here about 5 minutes. Already sweating through my bitchin' Widowmaker t-shirt. So anyway, I live about 6 hours from him. I just drove down here today, Labor Day weekend, and I've got a few projects of mine that are here at his place, and I also wanted to walk you around to show you some of his super cool projects. I'm going to show you his briefly and the ones that he's working on for folks. So excuse the jiggling. I'm going to pick up the camera here. All right, so this one, this is his. This is, I wish he was here. It's a 90 or 91 Jetta Coupe Mark II. And under the hood of this is the turboed ABA. I'm not a turbo guy. I can get more information on this, but I'm gonna just get a little bit here, a little bit there. This car is known a little bit around here in Indiana, Kentucky, as the Stupid Coupe, and it's a beautiful car. He's done a really good job on it. He's working on it all the time. He's had it for about 6 years now. You can see, just gorgeous. Anyway, so keep hitting things. This place is like a minefield. So inside, gray Recaros. I don't know if you can see them in there. Car's a little messy, but over there, custom door panels by yours truly, Sean at Sean SDZ's Crusty Kustoms. And you can see there's the decal there. Stupid Coupe, also made by me at SDZ's Crusty Kustoms. Man, this is like a product plug-orama for me. And you see a little cool sign there, Stupid Coupe, made out of a bunch of hacked up old license plates. Also made by me at SDZ's Crusty Kustoms. Let's see, there's my camera. Sorry, I have to walk around all kinds of shit this place is a disaster area. There's another one, a Valve Death Squad. Guess what? Guess who made that? Yes, me. You guessed it, SDZ's Crusty Kustoms. Here's another one. He's working on this with this guy, Bobby. And this car is cool, man. This is a Mark II GTI ABA, but this is kind of the doucher design, Dugan design kind of way here. He loves ABA turbos. You can see that intake came off of his Stupid Coupe, and that sticker was made by yours truly at SDZ's Crusty Kustoms. Anyway, I'll stop saying that in a minute or 50. But you can see she's still a work in progress. He has driven the car. I guess the thing just absolutely rips. It's got some gorgeous wheels. Again, I am not informed. I don't know what these rims are called. I just know we'll just call them bitchin'. Whoop, and hitting more shit. Got a really sweet interior. Just a cool car all around. Just another, this is, this Dugan Designs, Danny is his name. He's just a self-taught guy. He's been around VWs for years. And I'm just making my way around. You can see here, here's his wife's, I think it's a 56. Barn, this is his wife Emily's father's Beetle. Oh, it's so far gone, it's such a shame. It is an oval, it's beautiful, but kind of gone at the same time. All right, here's another one. This is a Mark III GTI. Sorry, bugs everywhere. This car has been here for a really long time, but it does run, and it sounds absolutely sick. VR6 turbo. Got sweet intake there. I forget what kind of standalone he has on this thing. And of course, it's nowhere to be found, or else I would give you a shot of it. This car's been around the block more times than Paris Hilton at a frat party. So there's another one out there. That's a little Mark III GTI. That thing's rotted out from the bottom up, but it's got a lot of sweet parts. So they're going to cannibalize that a little bit and put them on this orange one here. Okay, anyway, so here is the first of my few projects. This is a 1980 Corelli. I love mopeds, and this can be a big part of my channel. Mopeds, VWs, and really anything cool and fun to tinker around with. I just picked this up today on my way here, and he couldn't get it running. It took me about 30 seconds. I just turned on the choke and turned on the fuel and reattached the clutch lever. The cable was disconnected. Gave it a push down that hill over there, and she popped to life, and I rode her about half a mile each direction with a hand. As you can see here, here's the throttle cable. I don't know if you can see that. There's the throttle cable. I was giving that the old tug while I was riding. Perfectly safe. Here's my daily 2005 Magnum RT57 Hemi. She gets it. She goes. Got police. Got the old copper wheels on it. It's got some sweet decals. I didn't do the Killboy one. I got that at the Tail of the Dragon. But I am training for American Ninja Warrior, so that is not a lie. I got some sweet Rally Armor mud flaps that were supposed to go on my wife's Subaru, but I kind of ganked them and put them on here. You can see I got the racing decals, so I mean I had 340 horse. That's probably at least 350, I think, with all the different foods there that are shown. You can see you got a little love on the fender. Headlights I've sanded like 78 times. They're not showing any promise. But this thing runs, man. This thing runs like really good. I drove it all the way here 6 hours just now. Got a little dinger in the back there. Above the rear tire from the previous owner, along with that fender, which was from the previous owner. Now, we're gonna come over here. You can see this is just a big giant. He's got a big ass garage. There's another Mark III GTI VR6 Turbo all the way over in that, behind that door there. But I'm not gonna show that to you right now because it's hot in there. All right, so here is mine. This is a couple $100 score. This is a 99 Passat 1.8T. Of course, you can see there's no engine. It's packed full of shit. It just arrived last weekend, and that's one of the reasons why I'm out here, is I'm going to pick through it all and see what's in there and pull all the garbage out and throw it away and see what good stuff's in there and put it back in there and probably let it sit for another